Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Plug in or reach 50% battery, join a stable Wi-Fi, and complete a quick backup so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the Software Update area. On some phones, that's System. On others, a branded Update menu. Tap Check for updates and let the phone query servers. You're initiating the download. Stay on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and make sure there's enough free storage before proceeding. You now manage the download and installation phase. Read the release notes to understand changes and update size, then start the download. Once the file is retrieved, the system will prepare and verify it. Make sure you don't interrupt power or network. When prompted, choose Install Now or schedule a convenient time. The device will reboot several times. This is normal because the installer applies system partitions and updates apps. Be patient. The phone will return to the lock screen when complete. You finish by checking settings about phone to confirm the new version and inspecting key apps for proper behavior. If an app acts oddly, reboot once and clear that app's cache. Many issues resolve quickly. If the system update didn't apply or the device boots poorly, try booting to recovery and selecting cache wipe or reapplying the update from internal storage. If that fails, make sure you have a backup and contact the manufacturer or carrier for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.